Hello, this is Ginny Brant with Unleash Your God-Given Healing. And I want to wish all of you a very happy Thanksgiving. Have you ever heard the song, God is great, God is good, let us thank Him for our food? Well, especially food that Gigi makes this Thanksgiving. Yes, and we tried Dawson out on my famous Chocolate Banana Blueberry Smoothie today, and you get to see what he thinks of it, right? Did you like it? Did you like it? Huh? Hope you'll enjoy this humorous video and that you'll all have a great Thanksgiving. God bless.
Dude, this would be great.
Great for my YouTube video.
You want to know how good this is? Oh.
I got on the shirt.
Look at this. You got another wipe? Give him another wipe.
It's close. Open this thing back up, man. Dawson, there's nothing left. Is it good at least?
Did you want some sushi?
No, I was done.
Dawson wanted to finish it for you.
Look at him. He can't get enough of this. He can't get enough of this. Look at Harrison, look at this.
Harrison, look at Dawson.
Okay, you done? Oh, no. What'd you say about the shirt, Sydney?
Dawson, there's nothing left of it. Daddy took his whole hand in it. No. Dawson, there's nothing left in there. He's done.
There we go, we're done.
Have you ever heard the word share, Dawson?